What is biodiversity? Biodiversity means the variety of different plants and animals found on earth. Why do we group plants and animals? Grouping helps us understand similarities and differences among plants and animals. Name three groups of plants based on their height and stem type: herbs, shrubs, and trees. What is a herb? A small plant with soft green stems. What is a shrub? A medium sized plant with several woody stems near the ground. What is a tree? A tall plant with a hard, thick, woody stem. What are climbers? Plants with weak stems that need support to climb. What are creepers? Plants that grow along the ground. What is venation in leaves? The pattern of veins in a leaf. Name two types of venation: reticulate and parallel venation. Which plants have reticulate venation? Dicot plants like hibiscus and mustard. Which plants have parallel venation? Monocot plants like grass and banana. What are tap roots? A main root with smaller side roots found in dicots. What are fibrous roots? Many thin roots arising from the base of the stem found in monocots. What are cotyledons? Seed leaves inside a seed that provide food to the young plant. What is a dicotyledon? A plant with seeds having two cotyledons. What is a monocotyledon? A plant with seeds having one cotyledons. Name one example each of a dicot and a monocot plant. Dicot chickpea, monocot maize. What is the function of roots? Roots absorb water and nutrients and anchor the plant. How do animals move? Animals move by walking, flying, crawling, swimming, hopping or jumping. Name some body parts animals use for movement: legs, wings, fins. What is a habitat? The natural home where plants or animals live. Name two terrestrial habitats: forest and desert. Name two aquatic habitats: pond and ocean. What is an amphibian? An animal that can live both on land and in water. Give two examples of amphibians: frog and toad. What is adaptation? Special features that help plants and animals survive in their habitats. Why do desert plants have thick fleshy stems? To store water and survive in dry conditions. What is the shape of a deodar tree? Conical with sloping branches. How are fish adapted to live in water? They have streamlined bodies and fins. How do camels survive in deserts? They store fat in their humps and have adaptations to reduce water loss. Why do animals in cold deserts have shorter legs? To move easily on rocky and snowy surfaces. What is a sacred grove? A protected patch of forest preserved by local communities. Why are sacred groves important? They protect biodiversity and medicinal plants. What happens when habitats are destroyed? Plants and animals lose their homes and may become extinct. Name one Indian project to save endangered species. Project Tiger. What type of roots does maize have? Fibrous roots. What type of roots does mustard have? Tap roots. How can you tell if a plant is a monocot or dicot by looking at its leaves? Monocots have parallel venation, dicots have reticulate venation. What type of stem do herbs have? Soft and green stems. What type of stem do trees have? Hard and woody stems. Why do some plants need support to climb? Because their stems are weak and can't stand upright. How do animals like pigeons move? By flying using their wings. What are webbed feet useful for? Swimming in water. What are the differences between monocot and dicot seeds? Monocots have one cotyledon, dicots have two cotyledons. Name a plant with fibrous roots. Grass. Name a plant with tap roots. Radish. Why do camels sweat less? To conserve water in the desert. What do plants and animals need to survive? Food, water, air, shelter, and space. What role does biodiversity play on Earth? It helps maintain balance and supports life.